How to check your Vodacom phone number. Now, this specific method that I'm going to be showing you right now, actually does not involve using your dial pad. And the most convenient way of doing this is via using your phone settings, or if you have SIM manager that was included on your Android pack, then that's a good thing as well. Now, for you to be able to check your phone number, just go into settings. And then from here, just simply go straight into connections. Now just simply scroll down a bit till you find the option that says SIM Manager. Now aside from looking up your phone number that was actually indicated at the physical SIM card that you received, you could actually check out your phone number via the SIM Manager. You just have to figure out where you've inserted a SIM card, if it's either through SIM 1 or SIM 2, and it will automatically detect from here. And that is how you check your Vodacom phone number.